You're being choked to death and you don't even realize it. In this video, I'm going to be revealing the biggest reason why your store is unable to compete with the likes of Amazon, Etsy, AliExpress, and the list goes on. I'll be revealing a fix to this dire problem that's so simple you'll be kicking yourself. Hey, my name's Sakes, and I've helped many e-commerce businesses increase their bottom line. I've spent well over 16,000 hours harnessing my SEO skills, getting better at conversion rate optimization, and maximizing ad budgets. And if you want to learn the methods to dramatically increase your revenue, give me your full attention right now. On the left is you. You're a little mouse, you're tiny and you're insignificant. On the right is the likes of Etsy, Amazon, Wayfair, AliExpress, etc. These are the elephants, these are the rhinos, these are the tigers. And you know what made them so big? It's their collection / category pages. They've got a shit ton of them, meaning there's more opportunity for them. More opportunity for them to rank, meaning more opportunity for them to receive buyer targeted traffic, meaning more opportunity to sell more products and make more money. Here's the biggest kick in the nuts. These businesses aren't even selling their own products. Amazon, Etsy, AliExpress, eBay, their products come from small businesses. Even though they don't own these products, they benefit the most from these products. The biggest e-commerce store in the world, Amazon, benefits because of these small businesses. And it's Amazon that's currently driving these small businesses out. And do you know what happens when they go out? Now they go online and they're listing on Amazon, on Etsy's, on the eBays. And guess what? It's a vicious cycle. But in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix that and take control. I'm going to teach you how to create a shit ton of collection pages without adding even one more product to your inventory. I've put together the greatest list on the internet for building more collection pages without any more products. And I'd like to take a moment to thank my clients, because without them, I wouldn't have gained this experience for me to create this video for you. So we're going to start with the product attributes. And all you're going to do is create a product attributes list for all your products. An attributes list will help you identify the most searchable attributes which apply to your products. And this is going to give you a brainwave. So you can look at the sizing. Obviously in clothing, it's obvious, home decor. So let's just say you're selling sofas, pet items, and a lot more. So for example, 1.5 meter sofa. Guess what? Google suggests it, meaning it has search volume behind it. You've got color, which is self-explanatory, right? If you've got red jackets, well, guess what? People are searching that up. You probably want to create a collection page on it. Weight. So let's just say you're selling bird food. Well, guess what? People are going to type in things like 1 kg bird food, 5 kg protein tub. So luggage, people will naturally want the lightest luggage, so they'll be searching for weight. So travel gear, etc. Technical specifications. So let's just say you're selling forklift battery chargers. Well, people are going to search by voltage. If you're selling graphics cards, well, guess what? People are going to search by RAM. So like 8 GB graphics card, 16 GB graphics cards. Do you sell cameras? People are going to be searching by lens. Are you selling monitors? People are going to be searching by resolution. Look at the design. Now the design is more functional and style is more aesthetic. So things like lighting, guess what? That's a design. Foldable table, that might be a design in that particular item. And then you've got style, things like jewelry. So for example, if you sell watches, there are different styles of watches. Clothes, obviously lots of different styles when it comes to that. Packaging, let's just say you're selling something like action figures. People search for a box type of action figure, and then other people search for no box action figure because it's slightly cheaper. You can make collection pages based on the condition. So new, used. You can create collection pages based on smell / scent. So food, beverages, perfumes, and even cleaning products, people search by the smell. Verification and safety. This is very, very important. So organic, natural, BPA free, GMO free, fire retardant, X certified, X approved. So let's just say you're currently selling baby bottles. Well, people may be searching for BPA free baby bottles. BPA free baby bottles. Right there. So people are searching for it. People are searching for BPA free plates, BPA free baby toys. Create collection pages based on the ingredients being free of something. So soy free. So for example, personally, I buy soy free chocolate, alcohol free. So if you're selling alcohol-free face wash or non-alcoholic wine. You can create collection pages based on the feel. So soft bed, hard bed, a soft mat, hard mat, etc. And you can do everything in between those fields. So material, so you've got wood, metal. Let's just say you're in the sports niche and you sell darts. Well, it could be aluminium darts, and you could have another collection page dedicated to wooden darts. So country of origin, so you got things like Persian rugs, Egyptian cotton, Egyptian face wash. So if you type in Egyptian, so you can just go through the alphabet. So let's just type in F. So Egyptian face wash or face cream. Guess what? People are searching for it. Create pages based on sets. So makeup set, pre-workout stack. So it's essentially something you can group together. You can create collections based on the flavor/taste. So chili, sweet, sour. So people often buy chili chocolate. I don't know what's wrong with them, but hey, that's the thing. You can do combination ingredients, protein powder with creatine, face wash with glycolic acid. So it's essentially a product that can sell on its own, or you've grouped it into one product, because normally you buy the protein powder and the creatine separate. But let's just say you've got a supplement that does it in one. Well, guess what? That could be its own collection. Release date. So for example, you sell shoes. People often search by year. So 2010 Converse All-Star. If you sell vintage video games, people often search by the year. And those are the product attributes. Now let's move on to the season, events and ideas. So you want to publish these pages before and after they've already occurred. Let's just say Christmas just gone by and it's January and you haven't got your Christmas page up. Well, guess what? Just publish it now. Even though Christmas is well away, just publish it now, because it takes time for Google to rank. And you don't need to keep that page in your menu, because obviously you don't want people to click it if it's not the Christmas season. So you can just keep these pages out of the public eye and then just keep them in the sitemap. So you got the yearly seasons, like the most popular one being Christmas. Then you got New Year's, Easter, summer, autumn, winter, spring, Chinese New Year. Then there's prompt ideas like Christmas, star set, summer. Then put your product type in there. So Christmas, then star set. So you got Christmas train, Christmas dinner, Christmas bedding. Then let's just go with a season, so like autumn, nails, bedding, dresses, home decor. Then we've got events and occasions, so you've got Eid, Ramadan, Independence Day, Halloween, Boxing Day, Mother's Day, Father's Day, Valentine's Day, back to schools for her, for him, birthday, night out, wedding, anniversary, honeymoon, stag do, hen do, baby shower, bridal shower, graduation, retirement, pregnancy, get well. So there are a bunch of different collection pages you can create just based on this. So you've got prompt ideas here, so like Eid, then put the star symbol, baby shower, then put the star symbol. So those were the collection pages you can create via the seasons, events and occasions. Create collection pages based on brands. So just put brand plus product type. So Dyson hairdryer. If you stock these, well, guess what? You just create a collection page based on this. Now, chances are, if they're going for the keyword, you're probably not going to outrank the brand themselves, but you can rank second and third somewhere on the first page. And as a result, get those clicks, and as a result, make some revenue from that. And a lot of manufacturers, they don't even do B2C, so you could take full advantage of that. Usage, so you've got single use, you've got rental. Let's just say you're renting out a jigsaw, you're renting out camera gear. You may want to create collection pages based on those. And some simple prompt ideas are product type rental, single use, product. Prices and discounts, this is an easy one. So you can do simple prompts like product under star symbol, product type, sale. So graphics card under, and then now we've got the numbers. So 200, and of course we've got Amazon. So let's just go mattress, sale, and boom. You can create a page dedicated to this, so 70% off mattress sale. Now this is really important. Before you make a collection page, make sure each collection has a minimum of 3 products to avoid thin content penalties, and beef up your collection pages with some content at the bottom. So if we take a look at this page here, it's only got 2 products, but they've managed to beef it up by putting some words at the top. Then if you go to the bottom, they've beefed it over here, added some keywords, and essentially they're trying to avoid the thin content issue. And if you're serious about growing your e-commerce business, I'd highly recommend booking a one-on-one call with myself. So it's essentially a 1-hour call, and it's going over an in-depth review of your website and putting together a plan of action so you'll know exactly what your next steps should be in order to increase your bottom line. And if you're not ready to take that step, I'd highly recommend clicking on this channel and you'll be greeted by this video. It's an SEO case study of how I easily increased this business's revenue.